Hey, what's up, you guys? This is your girl, Bossy, with Bossy Solutions. And today, look, I'm going to put some money in your pocket, okay, boo? And I got 2 credit accounts for you just to get some money in your pockets, okay? And with both of these, there's no credit check. And there's a soft pull with one of them, and one of them they're going to look at your transactions to your debit account. So I'm going to go ahead and just give you guys a brief little run through. And if you like these videos, let me know, and let me know if you guys apply for these 2 accounts, what you got approved for, if you don't mind, and leave a little thank you in the comment section, okay? All right, I don't want to make you guys wait any longer. So the first card that I'm going to tell you guys about today is First Digital Next Generation card. Okay, you'll go to firstdigitalcard.com. Okay, and they're going to be pulling your Experian credit report, and I think you can get qualified for this card if you're in the low 500, but it doesn't seem to me, they say on the website that they don't pull your credit. So all I would say to you is after I got approved, I did see a pull on my credit report after I accepted the offer. I would say apply for this card no matter your credit score. You would want to get I think that you want to have some low inquiries though, or maybe some new credit, or at least be a 580 with low inquiries. Okay. All right. And that's the First Digital Next Generation card. I got this card. It's actually just like the card, what is it? The First Premier card that I showed you guys in my last video. I'll link it up top. It's very similar. You do have to pay the $95 entrance fee or whatever. So just check out the terms and conditions, but I think it's a really good card to get your foot in the door, starting with some credit, okay? Especially if you don't want an unsecured, if you don't want a secured card, okay? Now, the next account that I'm going to tell you about, it's not even a card, it's an account. And you would use your regular bank account with your debit card, and you would connect it to Grain, and Grain will give you a revolving credit account, okay? And I think they approve you anywhere from $300 to $1,000. Unfortunately, it is for iPhones only. So if you don't have an iPhone, you can't connect to this app, but they are releasing an Android version soon. So make sure you join the wait list to get on for Android. But they don't check your credit, but they will report your credit utilization. So I've had my Grain account for almost a year now, and I really enjoy this account. As soon as you pay it off, you can borrow against it again. So I really like this. I usually save it for a rainy day fund. Sometimes, I forget, I got that money in Grain. So those are the 2 accounts that I wanted to tell you about: the First Digital Next Generation card, and the Grain credit card. These are going to put some money in your pocket and boost your credit score, okay? You don't have to give anything. Grain, I don't even think asks you for your social. Grain won't even ask for a social. First Digital asks for, I think, the last 4. But anyways, also I wanted to shout out to the 14 subscribers on this channel. Look, I really appreciate each and every one of you. I'm going to have videos coming at you every week. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, the bell button, and leave a comment, okay? And with all that being said, get your money, honey. You got to be a boss, baby, and get that credit right, all right? And I'll see you guys for some more business, finance, and freelance videos very, very soon.